Maraming heron siguro dyan. Hello. Nadja.
Привет, привет. Как дела?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Vijf minuten staan daar bij dat raam en dan maak ik nog steeds tegen dat ding aan. Ik denk, jongens, lekker niet gaan zitten. Ik ga verder weer slapen.
Hi, Sue.
Oh, hi.
That's a lot of So everybody got a good night's sleep. Yes. Nice view. That's what in the morning we have a very nice view.
Guys are fishing.
Now we are going on a tour again.
No, I think we cross here. We cross here. Yeah, we can enter both.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yeah, there. 4? This is an adventure.
We are trying to guide the guide.
4 ships.
Oh, look at that.
Sorry. Or 3. I've been through. That was a good jump. I hope I can when I do that.
Watch your step.
Right.
Either we meet or not. Okay.
Do you feel very good?
Thank you. Thank you.
Really? Of course, really? It sounds like a joke, but it's true. It's not a joke. We are better than the Rubik from Budapest. Child of Sissi and Franz Joseph Maria Valeria. She was born in Hungary. You know, Sissi was somebody who loved Hungarian. And the bridges that cross Budapest, have you already seen Budapest? Oh, it will be. Well, you see, there are quite a lot of beautiful bridges, and it's difficult to build a bridge across the Danube because it's quite a large river. Well, the bridges in Budapest were relatively quickly rebuilt in the years that followed the war, the Second World War. So this one could not be rebuilt because it was at the border bridge. So since 2001, it's easy.
Yeah, we're going there right now.
Before 2001, we had a sport from that date on. And right now, we are both members of the Schengen zone, which is means that there's no border control. That's great, really. It's great. We do appreciate that a lot. Well, you can see that we are leaving the island.
Hi, doggy.
And here,
How are you?
behind the island, we have the small Danube.
Thank
the
you.
ship is
Bye.
a large Danube, and behind the island we have a small Danube. And you see, we have a big, large international port. We also have a yacht port down here. The little marina. Yeah, we are very, very proud of it. The island is called Primates Island. A lot of things are linked to the primate here in Esztergom, because Esztergom is also called
This part of the
the town
Danube
of the
River.
primates. Yes, it was